All right, you got one of these Fiskars pole saws. How do you put the saw on? It's actually really easy and you don't need any tools. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna loosen this wing nut. Just kind of hold the back and turn this to get it off. Take off the little plastic guard if it's on there. You do have choices here. You're gonna see multiple holes. Some of these holes will work for you and some won't. They're either for your model or they're for a different model. This blade will attach to different poles. What we're gonna do is we're gonna be very careful. It's very sharp. You're gonna put it through the large hole there and then turn it to where you want your angle to be. So it's going to lock onto, there's a little stud here that's looks like a little rivet that's sticking out here. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna turn it and lock it onto that. Now you can probably on yours use the second one, whichever angle you prefer. So when you're, whatever you think you want, if you're cutting, you're gonna be mostly pulling the pole up and down. So you might want a very vertical angle. Otherwise just switch it to that for a bit more of a horizontal. So I think we're gonna go with the vertical for our case. And then just put the wing nut back on. Use some muscle to tighten. There you go, you're done. So easy.